How to connect a DVD player to projector. Connecting a DVD player to a movie projector is a straightforward task that requires the use of an RCA cable to bring both components together. The steps following will guide you through the process. http://pad2.whstatic.com Images Thumb a AC photoround.png 35px photoround.png This article would benefit from step by step photos. PZ You can help WikiHow by adding photos to this article. Click here for instructions. Notice added on 2015-05-27. Steps 1. Plug the power cable to the movie projector. Then plug the cable to an electrical source, to wall. Leave this turned off for now. 2. Plug the DVD player into the power source in the wall as well. Again, leave it turned off for now. 3. Connect the RCA cable to the back of the DVD player. Then connect it to the back of the projector. 4. Add speakers if wished. If you want to use speakers, connect your speaker cable, usually green, to the back of the projector, where it says audio out. Turn on the speakers. 5. Turn on the projector, then turn on the DVD player. Turn the power on at the wall socket first, then turn on the actual devices. 6. Troubleshoot if needed. If you can't see picture on the screen or it says no signal, check the RCA cable connection or press the source button and select video. If your projector has a button that says source search, push that button and it will search for signal itself. 7. Sit back and enjoy the movie. You should be ready to watch your film now. Tips. Always read the manuals accompanying both the DVD player and the movie projector before commencing. There may be variations or different approaches required, depending on the brand. Things. A movie projector. DVD player. Projector power cable. RCA cable.